Welcome back to my video. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how you can delete files and rename files. And also maybe the last thing will be maybe how to rename a folder, okay? So let's jump right into the IDE. I'm going to create a new directory, which I'm going to call manipulate files. And then I'm going to create our main Go file. But the first thing that I'm going to do is to use the OS package or OS library. So I'm going to say os dot rename. Okay, so it takes two arguments, the old path, which is a string, and then the new path. So the file that I'm interested to rename is this one, file.csv. Okay, so I'm going to pass in file.csv. And then the new one that I'm interested in is new file.csv. Okay, this is going to return an error, which I want to handle. So I'm going to say error. If there is an error, we want to handle it. If error is not equal to null, we want to log.fatal. Okay. And then maybe we can print fmt dot, we call it file rename successfully. Okay. So let's run this piece of code. You see file name rename successfully. So as you can see, the file is now renamed to new file.csv. So this is how to rename a file. So the second one is how to delete a file. So we're going to use the os dot do we have delete? We don't have os dot delete. I think it should be os dot remove. Okay, yeah. So remove is it takes a name, which is a string, and then it returns an error. So we want to pass in the name of the file we want to remove. And this also returns an error. Then we're going to process that error. So once error is null, it's not equal to null, we can panic the error. Okay, let's call it rm err rm err rm err. Okay, let me change the name to something proper. Okay, and then we're just going to save fmt dot file deleted successfully. Okay, so I'm going to comment out all of this because we don't want to rename this file. I'm going to comment everything, and then I'm going to run this piece of code. See, file deleted successfully. So as you can see, the new file .csv is gone. Okay. So this is how you rename and then delete a file. So I'm going to comment out this one too. And then the last thing I'm going to make a directory, or okay, or rename this directory, write text files. Okay, so I'm going to use the os.mkdir. The mkdir is to make a directory. Okay, so I'm going to call that. I'm going to pass in the name of the directory and then the file permission. Okay, file permission. So I'm going to call this temp. Okay, and then I'm going to call the file mode. I'm not sure if os.file mode. And then 0755. I think I just need to pass in directly. Okay. And if there is an error, we want to handle that. So if there's an error, we want to panic and print the error. Okay, so I'm going to run this and see where okay, so you see, this is the TMP file, okay, TMP, which I just created. So this is how you create a new directory or a new folder using Golang. So I'm going to uncomment all of this. All right, so thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.